Understanding kidney replacement, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, kidney replacement. This term is often used in medical contexts, so understanding it can be really important, especially for those interested in healthcare or medical news. Let's dive in. Kidney replacement refers to a medical procedure where a dysfunctional or diseased kidney is replaced with a healthy one. This can happen in two main ways, through kidney transplantation or dialysis. Let's look at each of these. Kidney transplantation. This involves transplanting a healthy kidney from a donor into a patient whose kidneys no longer function properly. It's a surgical procedure and is often considered when a patient has end-stage renal disease. Dialysis. Dialysis doesn't involve a physical replacement of the kidney but rather uses a machine to filter and clean the blood, performing the function of healthy kidneys. This method is often used when a transplant is not possible or as a temporary solution. Kidneys are essential for filtering waste products from the blood and maintaining overall body balance. When kidneys fail, harmful wastes build up, blood pressure might rise, and the body may retain excess fluid, leading to kidney failure. At this point, kidney replacement becomes a life-saving treatment. Undergoing kidney replacement, especially transplantation, can be a significant life change. It often requires a lifestyle adjustment and regular medical follow-ups. Patients usually experience a significant improvement in their quality of life post-transplant, but they must also manage the long-term care of their new kidney. I hope this video helps clarify what kidney replacement means and why it's such a critical procedure in medicine. Whether you're learning English for personal development, professional reasons, or just out of curiosity, understanding such terms can really expand your vocabulary and comprehension of the language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.